change things. So this is about a while loop. Python loops, one of the thing is just a while loop. Okay, so while loop can be execute a set of statement as long as the condition is true. For example, I want to display I value as long this condition is true. Means when if I value is 1, 1 is less than 6, the condition is true, then do this job. Do this job as long as the condition is true. As long as the condition is true. And why this increment value is there? Because in a certain level, at a certain level, your loop should be closed. Otherwise, what happen? It is become a continuous loop. So you can see, remember, to increment I or else the loop will be continue forever. So loop won't be stopped. Okay, loop won't be stopped. In sometimes we can also create certain while loop kind of stuff for continuous giving input kind of stuff also we can give. Okay, so that is we can try also, but that's we will see part. Okay, relevant variables are ready kind of stuff, it is there. So we'll see first of all how the while loop will works. The first one is like as you given, we'll take I is equal to 1 while I is less than 10, print I. Okay, but why it is I is required to like a assigned value, or I is equal to I plus 1. You can give I is equal to I plus 1, or you can give like this. Okay, so once the loop is completed, I want to see exit statement like this. This is a purely optional, just for a observation purpose only. Okay, not even a required a print statement. This is not required, just for observation. Means, so first I value is 1, 1 is less than 10, print 1. Okay, like this it will print up to I is become 10. So 10 is not less than 10, it is equal to 10. So obviously equal to 10 means loop will be stop at 9 only. Loop will be break and go to this statement. So we'll see whether works or not. Save. Just see 1 to 9 while loop is printed. Okay, while loop is printed. So 1 to 9. Okay, so this is your output. Yeah, it's just a little changes, but so still if you want, I can put it. Same thing only, there it is given. Of course, here also you can apply break, continue, pause, nested loop kind of stuff also. Okay, in the same loop only, I'm going to implement break statement. Okay, so here it is, if I is equal to 6, break. Means if this condition satisfied, break the loop and exit the loop. Break the loop and exit the loop. So it is 1 to 6, it is printed, and now at 6 it is not doing that one. So this is the breaking the loop. That this condition satisfied, break the loop and exit from the loop. not a continue or not anything. The next one is continue. Continue statement. So what is the continue? Usually like a for, same it is works like it is skipping the particular part. We can stop the current iteration and continue with that next. So when you use a continue means what are the condition, if condition satisfied, it don't do that particular work and it do some other work and come back to the main loop only. Okay, so in case you put a continue, okay, so we'll see whether it is working or not. So you will see. It is not working here. There is a small difference. Yeah. See, it is missing one, so don't worry. It is missing one, but it is 6 is also gone. The 6 part is also gone. So if you get that one, to get that one, so I put a print statement, print I comma skipped. Okay, skipped. Here instead of I, so then you can use 0 also, no problem. Then if you want from 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of stuff, because it is given here only, right? So that's why it is given like this. The skip part is like this. So at when it is condition satisfied, it do some job and come back, continue the loop. What is continue? When a condition satisfied, it do the given work for that condition satisfied, it do some work, some statement or anything. Then continue with the loop. So it won't break the loop, it continue with the loop only. So that is your continue. I just wanted like given the statement. It means meaning is, so if condition satisfied, do some mathematic work or go to some other loop or do another define. So and come back to the normal, continue the loop part and complete it. This is continue. Of course, pass is there. Of course, like a pass, we can use the pass anywhere. A pass is not given here, so no problem. So I will tell the pass how it is look like. Okay, pass. Pass don't do anything. Under pass, if you do some specific condition, means if condition satisfied, do the work and continue the thing. That is one thing is also there. So we'll see. It is 6 is also printed, not skipped. 6 is also printed, but it done the work and continue the loop without skipping the iteration. Without skipping the iteration, without skipping iteration, it continue it, but it do the given work if condition is satisfied. Another way of passing is also there. Already I told, so that is the pass. Okay, so control C. This is one pass. Another pass is there. So you don't know what to implement. You created a loop, and but you don't want to means like you have an idea of putting some statements are there. So but problem is you are not at started that thing. So you are going to be do it, but it may like in a in a big programming there is a while loop you want to put it, but thing is you are try to execute other things while it may interrupt your execution. So this will won't interrupt anything. So we'll to try to see. Okay. So it is not throwing in any error also. If in case if I don't do this one, it will throw a error also. So look at this without a pass, it is throwing an error. See? So that is about your pass kind of stuff. See, no errors, no output. Just it ignore the statement. That's it. Okay. So guys, this is about your while but not completed. So small thing about while is while and while else is also there. While and with else statement is also you can give it. So this is also very important one. While else for else also. With the else statement, we can run a block of code once the condition no longer is true. No longer is true. For example, you put a condition like this is not a pass condition. This is completed, right? So then I put a I plus equal to 1. It faces without faces, no problem. So this is our loop. But I put a else means if condition no completed, so condition is completed, then else I put a some different thing, or maybe I will put a different kind of stuff else. Okay. While loop done. Okay. Save, run. It is done the work, and it is once no longer true, automatically you'll get this kind of stuff. Okay, so last time I didn't remember the code what I given to the people. So we have a direct in a face-to-face classes are there. People will ask questions. Some got a doubt that is based on how they learn and the math thing. Okay, so the question is prime numbers. Okay. Prime numbers. Find a prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, normally we have two conditions. We have to apply two conditions in this range 1 to 100 prime numbers. You have to condition. No. Given numbers. So that is a prime, it will display. If it is not a prime, don't display. Okay, so prime numbers on a given numbers. So this is the problem which is brought by one of our student. Okay, so prime numbers on a given numbers. Okay, so like they given a series of numbers like random numbers. You have to check each and every number is prime number or not. So prime number satisfaction is one thing is we have to divide it given numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, 1 to 100. So in that range only, not everything. So the given number, but number should be less than 100. That's it. So the condition is like we have to check the two things. One is you have to divide the numbers with a 1 to 100. Okay, all the numbers you have to divide, and then compulsory check it. The result should not be 0. Should not be divisible by any other numbers, right? So you have to find it like that. Okay, two conditions you have to set: divisible by itself, divisible by, should not be divisible by its like itself, and any other number that is a prime number, right? So like that. So condition is there, guys. Okay. So the one girl brought the problem. So she brought some numbers, and she said, "So sir, these are the numbers are there. One, no, 3, 7, 9, 13 is there. So we have to divide with that one. If you cannot able to divide with these numbers, so it won't be disabled by anything." I said, how it is possible? Like, no, no, sir, it is there. So then finally find the solutions in the same day only. So we use a while loop, while else, and if condition in between. Using that one, problem is solved. Okay. So you can also try to find some small programs in online also. You can find it. So then you can start implementing. Okay. So you will understand so how to implement the program. Okay. So this is it, guys. This is about your while loop. Now take a break. Be back at so now it is 4:40, right? So for 5 o'clock. So take 20 minutes break. Don't sleep. Have a tea. Okay. Next one is functions, guys. Functions and all. So I will complete the Python today. Tomorrow morning, we have a session. The session is on Office 365. Okay. So take a break. Be back at before 5 o'clock only. You should be there. Okay. I'll go and put a T. Okay. 5 p.m. Back at 5 p.m. Guys, got it?